all these.
Yeah, there's some dings. Thank you very much for clicking on today's video. In this one, we are pulling the SB2 out of the Dirt Late model. If you haven't seen, in our last video, I think it was, at Anderson Motor Speedway, we did end up ending our weekend a little bit earlier than we wanted to with an engine problem. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and pull that engine out, have a look at it, see if we can figure out what's wrong, and we will go from there. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you like it, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments. And also, what do you think is the best super late model engine? There's a bunch of different options for super late model since the engine rule is pretty open. So leave a comment and tell us what you think is the best engine for a super late model racing on dirt. Let's pull this first. Let's go just right down there, I guess.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll go first.
I think where to? I'll take it to the bench. There you go.
Man, that stuff is strong.
The glue?
Yeah. Okay, scavenge lines are off the bottom of the oil pan. This is one of them. This is the one that's furthest back, and it's the most likely to have debris in it. And as you can see, it has picked up quite a bit of stuff. So by comparison, here are the other two. Not nearly as much in those. But yeah, quite a bit of material and gunk caught up in this line here. Walk over here and show you. Here is the drain pan that we used. Obviously most of the oil's been drained, and you can see over here, all this material that has come out from draining the pan. So, obviously not a good thing.
Yeah, it does. You want to take it outside and pour it off the top.
That's fine.
I got you.
That's fine.
Find something?
Yeah, there's like 3 giant rocks. Get this thing off.
Well, let's see if it breaks free.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there we are. Okay. So, because that'll be up on number 1, and you put it on TDC up front. See what I'm saying?
Still have plugs in it, even though they're not super tight. So you should get right about there, and it should be about this. That's it? That's it. Should be
Really close right there.
Right there.
Bingo, bango, bungo. Okay, so. No. Where's your inspection camera?
Holy shit.
Oh, that's not good.
That is part of a lifter.
There's more.
Okay, here's the camera.
I got it in my hand.
Right?
So it's lost the lifter.
Well, we knew that. Those are,
That's all part of the bridge, right?
that's, yeah, so to speak. Both the tops of the lifters have come off.
There you go.
There's that cylinder. The rest of them look okay.
Both the tops of the lifters have come off.
Yep. Both lifter tops are broken off. Number 8 cylinder.
Yeah, I see it. One of those rods looks bent.
Yeah, it might be. That's not too big a deal. The bore itself does not look like it got cracked at all. So, yeah, I think that's exactly what,
There's something floating.
yeah. And let's do this, Tucker. We'll get all these little intake bolts.
We got some. Better or worse?
So,
That's about, yeah, I think it's okay.
so this piece right here on the number 8 cylinder, you can see is gone. And that's because that actually broke apart and the pieces were floating around in here. But all the rest look pretty good.
Yeah, I don't see anything else.
Where are those pieces, Fletch?
They're right there on the table.
So here they are. You can see right there in the center they broke. This is on the 8th cylinder, so
Doesn't look too bad, does it? It's got some little pieces of stuff. You can kind of see a little staining there. That might be where she was leaking a little, but I think, and the valve guide boss is something else you'd worry about where,
I don't see any cracks.
unless that's a crack.
Let me see.
Right there, take a picture.
I don't see what you're talking about.
well, there's a little line. There's a
That
little
right there?
hairline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think that's a crack.
I don't think it is. I think it looks like it just looks like a mark.
Yeah. Okay. I'm satisfied.
Don't trip over that compressor.
anything that looks like it's been pig there.
Pulled down a little. Yeah, it's fucked. Pulled down a little bit.
Hang on, man. I'm just looking to see if we got anything up in the piston.
Yeah, there's some dings. Fuck.
Yeah, but they're down. I don't think they're down there pretty far.
Pull out a little bit. Boy, the cam was destroyed.
Yeah. And the bottom of the piston's been peed a little bit there.
Yeah.
Can you get a picture of that? Or are we recording it?
It's recording too. What is that? That's the bottom of the piston.
Yeah.
Oof.
It's been dinkled around, but that doesn't mean it won't continue. Let's look and see if we got any shit anywhere else.
Boy, the cam was destroyed.
Yeah. And the bottom of the piston's been peed a little bit there.
Yeah.
Can you get a picture of that? Or are we recording it?
It's recording too. What is that? That's the bottom of the piston.
Yeah.
Oof.
It's been dinkled around, but that doesn't mean it won't continue. Let's look and see if we got any shit anywhere else.
Okay, the pan is pretty much all the way empty now. We did find a few more chunks down in there and a little bit of damage up here that you can see. This has obviously been cut this way on purpose. These other plates have not been cut, but clearly this one was cut at one time, and then something happened where a chunk of material clearly came through here with some speed and dinged things up a little bit. Here's a few more of those pieces that we found inside the pan, and then we've got these out of the top of the engine. This is part of the lifter assembly, and then these pieces came out of the pan. So I'm gonna put the pan back on, get ready to load it up in the morning and take it to Knoxville. Okay, engine is headed to the builder. Hopefully it's not gone for too long. All right, and that's where we're gonna end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We don't have a super solid plan as to what we're gonna do going forward right now, but we'll be figuring that out over the next couple days to weeks, so stay tuned for that. Thank you again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We really do appreciate that. That really does help us out a lot. I know it's kind of annoying that I ask in every single video, but it's totally free and it does help us a bunch. So if you don't mind, we really appreciate that. And without further ado, I'll leave it there. Not sure what exactly the next video on the channel is going to be, but stay tuned and we will see you wherever that happens to be.